Kajala Miglaya Hadu Kashpo Bijimin steps to cut South Nailar Ahaja Arpo, Gladan Katwing would give you a Tamai of COVID-19, but Arpinyon would give Lockoi no. Nagini Katwing would give you a Tamai, Shipon Kidena East Castle District, Hakabasa would Kideki Shipai BSF, Bandrim would Kiru Paidba, but Iway Rio Paidba in the Southwest Garo Hills District. Nakiniki Arpinyon would give Lockoi Patman Takasni, Arpasa would Kidena East Castle District, Hakaba Way Dana Armed Force, Way Naka BSF, but Arpu Armwood Nikiru Paidba. Armwood BSF na West Garo Hills District, but Iway Rio Paidba na East Jantia Hills District. Da Kajio Thamai Kiniki Katwingwood, Kajala Megalaya Hadu Bapumi Yakanika Kubor, Kadon Shiaja, Arspa South League positive case, Hendriuspa Arpa South League active case, Sunspa Nupa South League recovered case, Bandre would give Blacklat no. Naginiki Hendriuspa Arpa South League active case, East Castle District and Southpa Arpu Artali, Hakaba Prapakandang would Kiriki Shipai BSF, Aspa Andripu Armwood Kiru Paidba, Bahnyo Puingwood Naka Armed Force. West Castle District Kadon Light League active case, Riboy District Prapulai, West Giantia Hills Kandrio, East Giantia Hills Sun, West Garo Hills Prapuar, Southwest Garo Hills Lai, South Garo Hills Lai, North Garo Hills Hendrio, but Southwest Khasi Hills Iway.